Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So many of you might be having pudina in your garden, or just having pudina around. And I too got a big bunch of pudina when we ordered the vegetables from the farmer, the organic vegetables. We had ordered a lot of vegetables, fresh vegetables directly from the person who was growing them, and he had sent us a big bunch of pudina. So I had to think of making something, so I made 3 different recipes which I'm going to share with you today. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you give it a try. Do let me know what you think of these 3 recipes in the comment section below. So let's go to my kitchen and we'll start with today's pudina recipes. So let's start by seeing how to make this pudina chutney. So here I have taken some fresh coriander leaves which I've washed well, about a cup or so. Then these are a cup of pudina leaves that I've again rinsed and washed very well. Then we're going to use about 2 light green chillies. This is some grated ginger, about ½ an inch of grated ginger. This is a combination of roasted cumin powder and chaat masala, and this is some salt to taste. Now for the other recipe, I'm going to be using the curd, which you'll see later in the video. So now I'm just going to add the coriander leaves, the pudina leaves, the chilies, the ginger, the chaat masala, and the roasted cumin powder. Now you can just take about a teaspoon of cumin seeds, roast them and make a powder. So there's a teaspoon each of chaat masala and cumin powder. That's the chutney. You just grind it and that's the chutney ready. Now I'm going to show you how to make this refreshing pudina drink. Now here I've got just about ½ a cup of pudina leaves, again some grated ginger, about 1 inch, some salt, and this is the juice of 1 entire lemon, and this is some powdered sugar. I'm just going to add all of this together into my mixer pot. Now I'm using a powdered sugar, say about 2 to 3 tablespoons, but you can add as per how sweet you would like the drink to be. And we're just going to add some chilled water and grind it in the mixer, and then we're just going to strain it into a glass. And squeeze out as much as you can of the pulp, and then just add some ice cubes. And believe me friends, this is the ideal drink for the summertime. It's really refreshing. And then I'm just going to make this pudina and dahi chutney. So the same chutney that I showed you in the first recipe, I'm just going to add ½ a cup of curd to it, and that's it. And you will love this dahi and pudina chutney. It's so refreshing and so amazing. It goes well with almost anything. So if you have a lot of pudina at hand, you can make any of these 3 recipes or all 3. But the pudina drink was my favorite. It's so refreshing and just perfect for the summertime. I hope you like today's recipes, and I hope you will give them a try. If you like these recipes, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. I need those thumbs ups. And also don't forget to hit the red subscribe button if you haven't joined Akshata's Recipes and subscribed yet. Once you have subscribed, a small little bell will show up. Just click on that bell. That way, whenever I post a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. Take care, stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. I'll see you soon. Bye.